7 days, no filter. No expensive serum. Can you actually get glass skin? I tried it so you don't have to. Day 3 was ugly, but day 7 wait for it. Assalamu alaikum guys. So I saw 100 Korean glass skin videos and all of them need 10 products, $50 serum. As a Pakistani student with 500 PKR budget, not happening. So I made my own 7-day challenge with 4 basic things. Let's talk real results, no BS. Day 0. This is my skin. Oily T-zone, dry cheeks. Pimples from Lahore pollution chai not bad, not perfect. Gold glowy, plump. I drink 8 glasses water look. Not white skin, just healthy skin. Big difference gentle face wash 2 times. No scrub. No St. Ives Walla beating. Just clean. Done. Glycerin Rose Water Toner, 1:4 ratio. 20 PKR bottle. This was the game changer. Hydration equals glass skin. Sunscreen is non-negotiable bro. No SPF equals no glass